So how to put two picture side by side like that on iPhone 16 or any iPhone? For that you have to open your shortcut and then go to gallery, and under gallery just search grid, grid, sorry. So then you can see the photo grid. Press on add shortcut, press on cancel. Now go to your shortcut, then you can see your shortcut available here. Press on shortcut. Now select your image. For example, I am selecting this image and I have to select another image. So for example, I am selecting this image. Then press on add, and once you add, then you can see it's automatically combined. Press on this option, press on save image. Now if you go back to your image gallery, then you can see this image is available here. So that's it. Thank you.